Hello, what's up? Andito kami sa PICC for one of the biggest awarding events of the year. And syempre,
pinakamalaki. This is the biggest award.
Nakakuha ng ticket ng mga to. Magpa-perform si Taylor Swift mamaya. And isa kami sa mga mapalad na nakakuha ng ticket. Itong dalawa nakasingit pa eh.
Alam mo ba, baka hindi nga kami, wala nga kami sa guest list eh.
Malamang.
So,
Ganun ka, ano to.
baka sakali.
Ganun katanyag yung event. At hindi lahat nakakuha ng ticket.
Sabi mo sino main guest?
Mas madali pa makakuha ng ticket kay Taylor Swift. Sino ba main guest?
Our very own President BBM.
Totoo? Let's go.
Kung nandito siya, last year nandito siya.
Last year nandito siya.
Pero, special, ito yung biggest
Okay. Tsaka magandang umaga Pilipinas. Dito tayo ngayon sa PICC para mag-attend sa isang awarding ng isang kliyente namin, natanyag na kliyente. And magkakasama kami dito. Ang mga kagalang-galang na kasama natin ay si Senyor Villaseñor, Senyor Alvarez at si Don Senyor Madrid.
Kumanda kayo, pupunitin kong tenga ninyo. Pupunitin kong tenga pagdating ng awarding.
Dahil explain mo, baka akala nila pupunitin lang.
Pupunitin ko, pasasabugin ko ang tenga ninyo.
Kasi may song number si attorney, so abangan nyo. Lagot na yung mga tenga nyo lahat. Wasak lahat yan.
Dalawang song number yon. Yung isa pampunit ng tenga talaga.
Yung isa, pang serenade.
Yung isa secret.
Tara. Picture tayo sa loob. What's up Pilipinas? Andito kami ngayon sa... Doon tayo sa taas. Andun yung mga ano eh. Jonathan, nasa taas no?
Hindi yata ang baan. Saan ba?
What's up Madlang Nation? Andito tayo sa PICC for one of the biggest summit awarding of the year of one of our clients. And isa sa pinakagusto ko na nagpupunta sa PICC yung mga historical art pieces natin na makikita mo all over the place. So ito hindi mo na mabibili yung mga yan. It is meant for public consumption for the Filipino people at nakakalat ang mga masterpieces, mga master artworks ng mga iba't ibang tanyag ng mga national artists ng Philippines. So yung isang bagay na na-appreciate ko dito. Anyway, andun yung buong grupo. At kagalang-galang ang kanilang mga itsura for this awarding event. Jeff, Jonathan, kita nyo naman yan, no? Kagalang-galang. Congressman Senyor Villaseñor.
Idol ko to, sikat na vlogger ito.
At si Congressman.
Hello mga kababayan, dyan lang kayo.
Okay, sa mo pinarado yung mga Land Cruiser Patrol tsaka...
Chopper ako ngayon.
Chopper, okay.
Talaga, naka-chopper ka ngayon?
Oo, kasi
medyo
matigas...
malayo yung nilakad ko kasi yung yate, doon ko pa inano sa Manila.
Depende, ano bang luto nung chopper mo? Anong luto nung ano? Anong cut nung pork chop? Grabe dito, yung i-receive kanila lahat sila nakapatad yung tsaka grabe yung quality of service at presentation. Hello, good afternoon. Grabe yung ano nila, pag-welcome nila sa mga guest. Nakakatindig balahibo yung pag-receive nila ng mga guests. Sobrang nakakatuwa.
Hi, sir.
Register mo na dito.
Tapos yan, mayroon silang staff.
Attorney Nicole.
Andito kami ngayon sa Chairman's Report 2024. Andito kami ngayon sa Chairman's Report 2024. Let's go, SP Madrid. Let's go. Let's go. 2023.
Yung event,
Isang mainit at malaking okasyon ngayon dito sa PICC para sa Chairman's Report 2024. Pero 2023 ang nakasulat. 2023 performance for the year of 2024 i-award. So Chairman's Report.
I-recognize this
recognize is 2024. Ang Chairman's Report for 2023. So, the report is 2023. Habang na sinasabi ko, basta 2024 na. Yun lang yun, manood na lang kayo. Abangan nyo ang aming mga matitinding pasabog mamaya. Dahil, anong expect nila?
May sasayaw. Sasayaw si Senyor Villaseñor.
Busy mag-vlog. Hindi natin magulo. Wala, napakawala na sa TikTok to. Kaya hindi mo na may istorbo.
Excited ako kay BBM. Feeling ko darating siya.
Station go. Anong meron ngayon?
This is the usual chairman's report of Pag-ibig, annual Pag-ibig report for 2024. Bulong lang. We were congratulated already. Ahead of the announcement. Baka mamaya wala.
Go. So, anong meron today?
Today is the awarding at hindi ko alam kung totoo sinasabi nila. Tayo lang ang the only awardee. I don't know what it means. I don't know kung ano talaga yon. I don't know. Let's see. Hindi ko alam. Abangan ang susunod na minuto. See you.
Dito kami sa PICC and we're attending the Chairman's Report for 2023 pero to be awarded for 2024. Nakakatuwa, nakakasindak. Everybody's well dressed. Filipiniana, Barong and Filipiniana attire. And kaluwat kanan ng mga pinakamalalaking providers tsaka partners ng Pag-ibig for this Chairman Report. And baka mamaya darating si PBBM dito sa Chairman's Report. So, let's see. Nicole, tara. Okay, dito na. Ito yung event, very exclusive lang. Sobrang daming dapat may invite. Pero tignan nyo, limited tables lang. At ang sabi nila, darating mamaya si PBBM. So all the biggest providers tsaka partners ng Pag-ibig nandito ngayong hapon. Ang ganda ng lighting and effect. Exciting. Jeff, kawai. Very exciting. Stig, no? Yung isang malaking bagay. Table 39 kami. Documentation.
Kaya nyo ba? Ganyan na lang iyan ang ano natin, no? Ganda ng, ang ganda ng, I think this is their biggest event. Best event for their annual awards. Kasi andito daw si BBM.
Documentation.
We're here at Pag-ibig 2023 Chairman's Report. Hindi siya 2024. So, this is my second time attending this event and I feel very fortunate to be here. Ako, isa pa.
Gagayahin ko yung it's a good thing. Nagkaroon ako ng time para medyo mag-ayos ng damit dito. Usually, I don't really dress up for the occasion kasi karamihan SMIX. Pero this one with PICC, everybody looks
Ladies and gentlemen,
look handsome. At saka mukhang big talaga yung event ni Pag-ibig. Tingnan mo yung LED nila.
Big and big time.
Big and big time. And we are part of that big and big time. So, go SP Madrid.
May award tayo. Let's go, let's go. Natawag na tayo kagad na maaga. Ibig sabihin marami to.
Join us for a photo.
Hindi na ito umakit sa stage.
The associates. Marami kayo allow to maintain the quality of its loan portfolio. Congratulations, RGS Recovery Management and Collection Services Incorporated. Receiving the award.
Hindi na ito itsura sa stage. So sinama ko na kayo.
Chief Executive Officer Mr. Ralph G. Santos. Operating Officer Mr. Chief
Sir, okay po. Sir.
Dahil pang awards, oh. Dahil pang awards na nakareserva doon. Ubusin natin lahat yun.
Thank you very much. And completing the roster, we recognize a partner government agency whose
Sayang pagkain, no?
issuance of land titles completed members'
Walang katapusan
dreams
din yung pagkain dito.
of home ownership. Thank you to the Land Registration Authority, or LRA.
Ano? That's dito. Ito. Yan, 1, 2, sige, go.
Sampo lang, sampo.
Congratulations.
O, bilang.
Hindi,
Our
game na yan.
next awardee is from South Luzon, LYRR Group of Sales and Marketing, and President of LY. Thank you, the Sekyung Realty Corporation.
It's my message.
President,
Okay, thank you very much lahat ng SP sa mga I am dedicating and giving my salute sa I dedicate and I salute this award to all the SP Madrid people who work hard, blood, sweat and tears para ma-attain itong award na binigay sa atin. The only awardee sa category natin. So, I salute you. The only awardee sa atin, tayo lang. Yung isang nakita nyo, hindi yon, ibang award yon. Kaya relax lang tayo. I salute you again and I dedicate this to all of you. Keep up the good work and especially and the everlasting, never-ending challenge. SP Madrid, more in 24. Yan ang ating battle cry.
Congratulations. And to the rest of your group. Ferdinand R. Marcus Jr.
Dito na si PBBM. PBBM andito na. So pakinggan natin.
And modified Pag-ibig 2 or MP2 dividend rates reveal. 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, the dividend rate for Pag-ibig regular savings for 2023 is 6.55%. 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, the dividend rate for the Pag-ibig MP2 savings for 2023 is 7.05%. Thank you, Mr. President.
Unquestionably a banner year, then without a doubt it is clear that it is a labor of love. It's highly suitable because in this Valentine's month, or big fan ay talaga naman sana yung iba ay wala na rito, hindi na natin kasama. Ngunit sana ay may bahagi natin sa kanila na ganito ang nangyari sa sinimula din ng Pag-ibig Fund. At lahat.
Thank you, Mr. President. At this point, may we request the President to
Finally, tapos na kami dito sa Pag-ibig Chairman's Report. Isang napakagandang event. Na-enjoy namin yung buong event. It was also graced by the President of the Philippines, PBBM. Nagbigay din siya ng, ng song number niya. Joke lang. Nagbigay siya ng speech niya, of course, in support of the housing industry in the Philippines. And yun lang. Masaya siya. Very fulfilling, and most importantly, tayo lang ang loan awardee for the entire event. Loan awardee for our category in that event. So big time talaga. Supposedly dapat 3 daw, pero sinabi hindi, 1 lang. Kasi they have to reduce the number of awardees and they want to make it really prestigious yung event na yun. And tayo lang nakakakuha ng award, which is a big deal. So yun, other than being dressed nicely, may photo session kami ni Nicole.
Saka palitaw.
Nakagawa kami, palitaw, masarap na pagkain. Very inspiring yung buong event. And it's really giving us more inspiration and excitement to do more for 2024. Ano masasabi mo, Madam Nicole?
I want to change.
Ano masasabi mo, Congresswoman Nicole?
Ang sona.
Maganda yung
Thank you,
outfit ni Nicole.
For the costume.
Finally, tapos na kami sa event. Me and my wife, Nicole Madrid. Nandito pa kami sa PICC. And every time nandito kami, napaka-elegant lang ng event. Actually, magaling din yung yung overall execution ng event. Kung paano ka i-receive, nakabarong sila lahat, kung paano kanila mini-meet, kung paano kanila gini-greet, kung paano kanila asikasuhin sa receiving area, although hanggang makaupo ka, yung pagkain, yung lighting, yung sounds, the entire thing, very impressive. And syempre, isama mo na doon na maayos yung damit namin. So nakakatuwa rin na nakapag-photo op ka na sarili mo, kasi it's not every day that you get to dress nice as mapipicture mo sarili mo. Pero at the same time, maganda rin talaga yung overall execution event. Kaya wala na, very fulfilling day. And shout out sa buong SP Madrid. We are the loan awardee in our category. Sabi daw, pinipilit nila 3, pero sabi nila hindi, 1 lang. And then obviously, that became SP Madrid. Sabi nga nila, hindi daw ba tayo nagsasawa sa awards year and year for the last decade. We're always dominating the entire awarding of Pag-ibig. And it's really thanks to all the people who have tirelessly committed day and night of their productive life to support the entire deliverables natin for Pag-ibig. So yun lang. Maraming salamat, and let's get it on for 2024. Yun lang. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Bye. Vlog pa more. Yan, vlogging boys. Yeah, wala. Tinago na yung cellphone.
Kakatapos lang eh.
Vlogging boys. Dito kami sa Soler. At kasama natin yung mga vlogger boys. Hindi yan music ng TikTok ha. Actual music yan. Go. Stop that, stop. Go. Ayos. Kaya ano to mga big boss ng SP Madrid. Dahil walang walang inaatrasan. Laban kung laban. Stop! Out ka na, Jeff. Ikaw yung huli. Ikaw ang grand champion. 1 million ka agad. Dinner celebration.
Parang division. Division.
Nicole.
Yan yun.
Attorney Ma'am Sonia.
That one?
Hindi ma-inspire mga TikTokers sa atin yan. Ano lang, bangus lang. Ano
Si
pa?
Papa nag-order ng pampano. Pampano ba yan? Sibas. Sibas naman ata yan.
Pwede.
That's from the Mediterranean Sea. Kausapin mo, mag-Greek yan sa'yo.
Hindi, lumangoy yan papunta dito.
Mas mamito naman po yung
Wow! Maraming kakainin ni Ma'am Sonia.
Lugaw.
Yun, lugaw. Kuya, may tokwat baboy.
Tokwat baboy, wala.
Ito may baboy, meron.
Meron ako dyan. From Japan, Korobota. Oh, Korobota.
From Japan.
Kala mo sir, wala akong entry Yun, no?
Ito, ano to? Ano to, Jeff? Sugpo.
Tingin.
Ano yan?
If not for the
tawag
rice.
doon yung ano?
Wow, calamares.
Pangalan ito, Ral?
Yes po.
If not for the rice, ano dapat kasama nito?
Alin po?
Yan, yan na yun.
As is,
Bread lang. Parang steak.
Walang pa-partner.
wala man lang ano.
Panula.
Okay, all set. Let's go.